Namaste everyone. So today we are going to look at downward facing dog. Downward facing dog is a very powerful posture for decompressing the spine and creating a feeling of spaciousness throughout the whole body. So now come to the mat. So when we do downward facing dog, there have a tendency is to collapse through the armpit by doing back bend. It's something looks like this. Now you can see my upper back. To correct this, just soften your armpit and lift up away from the floor. And from here, try to feel your triceps and gently turn inside. By doing this action, you can broaden your upper back. It's something like this. Just turn in. You can see my shoulders is away from the ears, and upper back becomes strong. But when you do this action, it can create, there is a little rounding in the lower body. When you're turning your hands in, so you can see my back, there is a little round in my lower back. First is a straight. As you're turning your hands out, there is a round in the back. So correct this rounding. Just pay attention front of the thighs, your quadriceps. By engaging your quadriceps, drawing them up, try to lengthen your hips away from the ribs. Turn your arms in, upper back is strong. Then pay attention toward your quads and drawing them up. Then paying attention toward the hips and lengthen your hips away from the ribs. So when you lengthen your hips, you are creating a more length in the lower back.